Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motor Cars here in Rogers, Minnesota, a northern suburb of Minneapolis, Minnesota, and a mere 45 minutes away from the Minneapolis-St. Paul International Airport for those of you who want to fly in and look at something personally. There you go. So yes, today we're going to talk about something that is really special. It is a 1952 Mercedes-Benz. Now, it's a Series 300, I guess a Series Type 300, and it's a Cabriolet Series D. Oh my God, there's so much words they have in these cars. I mean, you hardly can remember all the stuff, but it is something that is absolutely spectacular. Me being an old car guy from way back when, I have never seen another one of these ever. I tell you what, it is just something really special. Now, you're going to really want to watch this video from start to finish because we're going to do a cold start. We're going to do a walk around, and you can see just the quality of the paint and the workmanship and everything, not only from the original car, but today's total restored example that we have sitting here. They made a mere 591 of these things from 1951 to 1955. So the odds are, like I said, I had never seen one, and I'll tell you what, this is just one of those cars that just is absolutely as good as you can get. Mercedes being hand-built. These were hand-built cars. They were just getting into the high-end market. They wanted to have a car that was better than Rolls-Royce. And they wanted to have something that was better all the way across the world. And this is going to be one of those examples. Now, the engine under the hood is a 3.0 liter, overhead valve, 6-cylinder engine with 2 Solex carburetors. So don't get fooled by thinking it's the Model D, that's a diesel. No, this is not a diesel. This is a gas-powered car. Beautiful, beautiful paint. I just cannot get over the absolute quality of the paint on this car. It's called the Medium Olivgrun, and I'll tell you what, it is just something that is just breathtaking, to say the least. And the quality of the chrome and workmanship is just impeccable. Don't you always know that Mercedes emblem that's been carried forward for many, many years? And boy, in 1952, if you had something like this, this was really considered a high-end luxury automobile. And beautiful interior as well. It's got the mist green leather interior. And of course, it's hooked up to a 4-speed manual transmission on the steering column. Kind of a unique piece, to say the least. Beautiful fog lamps. Everything is just impeccably done. Look at all the styling that went into these cars. And again, like I said, these were hand-built cars, to say the least. I'm just looking at all the stuff that this car just exudes quality. Beautiful. They did a great job when they did it. They did put the wide whites on there, which would be correct with the correct hubcaps, body color paint in the middle, and that they are the radial tires. So it's going to be a little better ride than what they had in 1952. Not that it was bad, but these are, radial tires are just a vast improvement over the old stuff. But yeah, you just look down the side of the car, your reflections are just absolutely impeccable. There isn't a door ding, rock chip, nothing. This car is really beautiful. And then like I said, you got the mint green leather interior, beautiful wood grain. This is real wood. This is not, and again, it's all handmade, beautiful dash, the chrome and everything, all the gauges, the instruments, it's got a really unique radio. It looks like it's almost a short wave type radio. Kind of cool. I'm not quite sure. Everything's always a little different. And look at these visors. Isn't that a unique piece? I mean, it's kind of a clear glass visor with the chrome around it. Everything about this car is just gorgeous. Now, look at these landau bars. I mean, this is a manual top, goes up actually quite easily. It's a nice canvas top that's in really nice shape. I think the car looks beautiful with the top down, and you've got so much room in the back seat. It is just really, really nice. And of course, in these days, everyone had to have a cigarette or cigar ashtray. That's what they had. And the chrome around all the windows. No, it is just one of those cars that just is absolutely beautiful all the way around. And again, got the Mercedes emblem. I'm going to have to open the trunk. I mean, I don't normally do this on these situations, but it even has its original luggage that came with this car. I mean, talk about something that was really special, dual spares. But that luggage, isn't that cool? That is what came with this car in 1952. Many of the features on the 300, the gull wings or whatever, but a lot of that suspension and the engine, all that kind of stuff, a lot of that stuff was carried forth into this car as well. Don't you like these? These are just, everything is just really, really neat. And of course, like I said, lots of room in the back seat. Just one of those cars that I have never seen one. It is just something super, super special. And I'll tell you what, you're not going to see another one very often, anytime, anywhere. I mean, famous people had this car. I mean, I think the Shah of Iran had one, and Frank Lloyd Wright had one as well. So, hey, famous people had these cars. You could be the next famous person to have one as well. Now, you can find all of our stuff on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok as well. Give us a like, leave us a comment, or subscribe. We appreciate it very much. You have access to all the information on this particular car, and you'll have information on our other 100 plus cars that are currently in our inventory. And remember, when you wanted to look at the information on this, you clicked on the link in the description, and it'll take you right to our website. And our website being www.ellingsonmotorcars.com, where you'll have access to, like I said, all of our current inventory. Now, it's one of those things, if you own a car like this, you probably want to join the Mercedes Club. I'm sure, number one, they'd be excited to see that there's actually one of these around, because it's being such a rare car, they would enjoy having you join any club. Plus, it's also an information spot that you can get information as well. The other thing that we can assist you with, because that's what we do here at Ellingson Motor Cars, is kind of that all-inclusive, all-service-orientated business. We can help you get this car shipped to any place in the country, and for that matter, any place in the world. So we have a nice network of stuff. If you buy a car from us, we can assist with getting this car into your hands. The other thing that we can also assist with, because a lot of people, this is kind of a specialty collector vehicle. For a lot of people, your local bank may not know how to deal with it. We have sources that we can help you with getting financing. You can click on our toolbar right across where it shows current inventory, which you probably want to look at as well, because there's always new arrivals. There's some specials. There's some reductions on some cars. You always want to make sure you're looking at our current inventory. But the other toolbar is, like I said, the financing. We can assist you with that. You can give us a call, 763-428-7337. And we can help you fill out a credit app, whatnot. You can also do it yourself online. Just click on the toolbar and it'll take you right there. The other thing that we have on there, if you say, well, I'm not really looking for this particular car, I'm looking for something else, we have a car finder thing. So you can also do that, fill that information out. So lo and behold, if we get your dream car in, you're going to be the first person we're going to give a call to. No, this is one of those special cars. I think it almost warrants coming and looking at it in person. If you want to come and look at it in person, by all means, we're happy to have you come to Ellingson's. As they say, we're a mere 45 minutes, give or take, from the airport. We are open Monday through Friday from 10 until 5, and Saturdays 10 to 4 as well. Let us know if you're coming. We always like to know that, and got to make sure your dream car is still here in person. But yes, if you want to touch it, make sure it's real. That's what we can do. Well, this is one of those special cars. Ellingson gets lots of special cars, anything and everything that's in the old collector world I love personally. But for me, this just really is something special. I have never seen one. And not that it's, something that I would necessarily have thought about. But boy, when you see one like this, you really can appreciate what it takes to get a quality car done, quality car in anyone's collection. This would be the diamond of anyone's collection. I'll tell you what, it's just that special. Well, if you have any questions, by all means, give us a call, 763-428-7337, and I'll do our very best to answer those questions for you. Well, thank you again for watching our video. Hopefully it was informative and gives you an idea of a really special hand-built custom automobile that we have sitting on our sales floor right at this very moment. Thank you kindly, and we'll see you next time at EllingsonMotorCars.com.